Welcome to Linkhouse. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of adding your website to our platform so you can start monetizing your content efficiently. Let's get started. First, log into your Linkhouse account. From the main menu, hover over Publisher section, then click on My Websites. Here you can manage all your websites, preview offers, and add new domains. To add a new website, click the Add a New Website button. This will open a form where you need to enter your website details. Let's go through the required fields. Enter your website URL, including HTTP or HTTPS. Choose your website's primary language from over 20 available options. Select the category that best describes your website's content. Optionally, you can add more information such as add links to your website's Facebook, Instagram or Twitter accounts. If you accept content on specific topics, select them here. If you have restrictions on certain topics, list them in this section. Choose the user demographics that best describe your website's visitors. Decide if you allow remarketing tags in sponsored content. Once all details are completed, click Add Website to the market. Next, you need to create offers that advertisers can purchase. You can choose from 4 types of offers: sponsored articles, an article written by you or the advertiser, published on your site, link insertions, adding a link within an existing article, advertising backlinks, banners or text links placed on your website, press mentions, short mentions, possibly without outbound links. When adding a sponsored article offer, you only need to fill out the first page of the form. All other fields are optional, but can enhance your offer's visibility. Here is how to do it. Choose between follow or no follow links and set the maximum number of links per article. Select whether you accept brand URLs, linguistically correct keywords, or any type of keyword-based anchor text. Decide whether the publication remains for at least 12 months or permanently, as long as the site exists. Set your net price for publishing the article. You will also find additional options here that are not required. Highlight the article on your homepage, share it on social media, or include additional internal links. Choose how the article will be tagged. Check where the link to the article will be available. Specify word count, image requirements, and content placement. Allow or disable commenting on the article. You can also include guaranteeing traffic, allowing customers to view statistics and more. This is all optional, however, it can increase potential customer interest. Once completed, click Save to finalize your submission. Once submitted, your offer will go through a quick moderation process, usually completed within 24 hours. After approval, your website and offers will be live and visible to advertisers in our marketplace. You can always edit or deactivate your offers by going to My Website, selecting your site and clicking Edit or Deactivate. As soon as advertisers purchase your offer, you'll receive a notification with all the details. Payments are secured immediately when an offer is placed and will be released automatically 3 business days after the publication is completed. You can withdraw your earnings via PayPal or bank transfer. And that's it! You are now ready to start monetizing your website with Linkhouse. If you have any questions, our support team is here to help. Visit linkhouse.net or contact us via live chat. Start earning today. Happy publishing!